Hello kids, welcome to my channel Teaching Diary 24. Today we are going to learn air around us. So what will we learn? We will learn about the following concept in this lesson. Air around us, forms of air fills space, air has weight, air is helpful, keeping air clean. Air is all around us. All living things like humans, animals, and plants need air to live. We cannot see air, but we can feel it when it moves. Uses of air. Air helps human and animal to breathe. Fish and other water animals take in air from water. Plants need air to live. About air. Moving air is called wind. When wind moves, it is called a breeze. Fast and strong winds cause a storm. A storm can cause damage to houses and trees. It can also cause harm to animals and humans. Air fills space. When we blow air into a balloon, it increases in size. This is because air fills the space inside the balloon and give it a shape. Air has weight. A balloon filled with air is heavier than a balloon without air. This is because air has weight. Some other uses of air. It is filled up with balloon and swimming tubes. It is filled in the tubes inside the tires. It helps to dry clothes. It helps to move sailboats and windmills. It makes the fire burn. It is used for flying kites. We should always keep the air clean and should not spread pollution. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel Teaching Diary 24. We will meet again with the next upcoming video. So thank you.